Hello dear children, we all love festivals. When festival comes, our mama, our grandma, they are always busy to make torans, to draw rangolis. So this year, why not we help them? Yes, today we are going to learn one lovely rangoli. So let's enjoy the activity. For this activity, children, you need pencil, scissors, stainer. It is all old patrika. If you are not having old patrika, you can use this A4 size drawing sheet also and rangoli colors. Children, I am ready with this square paper. So first we are going to fold this paper in a middle. So we will get a triangle. Press it properly. Then again fold in a middle. So it is open side, it is closed side. Again I am going to fold it in a middle and give a fold properly. Now I will draw any type of design on it. So I am going to draw like this petal shape here and here this triangle and again one petal shape. Then children, if you want to change the design, you can change it, and we are going to cut this. We will use this scissor and we are going to cut it. After cutting, we are going to get such a type of stencils. Children, you can keep these stencils under your cushions, or you can press it for a minute. So you will get a straight stencils. Now children, we are going to cut one earthen lamp, means panti, with the help of this paper. First I am going to fold in the middle. Then we can draw one earthen lamp here like this, and we can cut it. Okay, when we will open this, we will get this ready-made earthen lamp. Now children, let's start the rangoli with the help of these stencils. Children, first I am filling the color down. Then we are going to take impression of that diya. So you can use any color. After completing this line, children, you can use this line anywhere near to your door. And then I am going to keep this here. And then children, we can feel colors in it. If you want to fill in a single color, you can fill, otherwise you can use 2 colors also, 3 colors also to fill this. Then children, I am going to taking it up. Children, take it up carefully. Then again I am going to keep it here and going to take the impression. Children, now we can give black or orange dot here. See children, near to your door or in your hall, you can draw such a lovely patti of that diya. It is called a deepmala. Now we are going to draw this stencil rangoli. For this rangoli, I am going to fill one light color down. Okay. So now first we fill this square. Now I am going to keep it over here. See children, keep properly and again take out it properly. Okay. And then I am going to fill different colors in different parts. Like this children, you can do shading or you can fill single colors also in it. Okay, so after filling the color, take your mama daddy's help, or you can also take it up, but take it up little carefully. So after this, we can fill this background also, or you can make a border also with the help of any color. Now children, I made one small stencil. Okay. Children, if you are not having that marriage cards or patrika at home, we can use our A4 size sheet also. So it is very hard to take out. So we can use this strainer, or ह्याला पिठाची चाळणी म्हणतात. So we can use this and we can fill any color first down. So after this, I am going to keep this paper inside. Okay children, like this we can keep and we can fill the color. Now children, slowly we are going to remove this strainer. So children, see what a lovely design it is. So you can add more thing also in it. And that strainer and means chalni, it's better than this. So it is easy also. Now we can add little more beauty in it. You can make a border with the help of any one or two colors. So after doing border, it is looking very nice. So children, you can cut the different shapes with the help of all this kirigami activity, and you can make a different stencils and can get lovely designs with the help of it. Children, try more rangolis and enjoy your rangoli making activity. Happy Diwali to all.
Happy Diwali.